Friends, now we come back to the second part of the video. We are going to do the second worksheet. This is worksheet 2, set language. In this we are going to do the choose the correct answer. The first question is, which of the following is not a set? The collection of tall students in a class is not a set because any student can be tall, and they did not mention comparatively tall, that is taller, or the tallest boy in the class. Hence all the students in the class are tall, so we cannot write this in set. Next we come to the second question. The collection of integer can be represented as. So integer, as you know, it contains negative, 0 and positive. So that is written in the set form, that is -3. So the choice is D, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Next we come to the choose the singleton from the following set. So as you can see, x belongs to integer and integer value is from -1 to 1. And since this is greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to, that means these twos are included. If there is a line below, that means these values are included. So -1, 0, 1. As you can see in the next question, next choice, it is given that -1 is included but 1 is not included. So -1 comma 0. Here both the endpoints are not included, only, so the number between -1 and 1 is 0. Here 1 is included, therefore they ask only singleton. Singleton means it should be only one element, so that is 0. Now we try to answer the short questions. Represent the following set of natural numbers in set builder form and roster form. Okay, so set builder form we define A as set of all natural number, A as set of A as x, and x is set of all natural number. So we write this in statement. Next we come to the roster form. As you can see, roster form we have to write the elements. So natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 and it is endless. So we just write the dots. Next we come to the fifth question. Check whether the following sets are equivalent or not. So once we have to check whether they are equivalent or not, we need to check how many elements are there. So as you know that church has a repeated C and repeated H. So what we do, we just write A is equals to CHUR. There are 4 elements. B is equals to, now they are given x is an integer, that is from 0, it is in between 0 and 5. The number between 0 and 5 are 1, 2, 3, 4. So n of B is equals to 4. N of A is equals to n of B. Hence they are equivalent set. So whatever the number in between, we don't bother about it. We bother only about the number of elements. Next question is, write all the subjects of Rose and Jasmine. So that is not possible because there is no subject in sets. So it is subsets. Okay, that is my perception. So subset of ROSC is, so how do we write? We write empty first. We write all single. Next there are 4 letters ROSC. Then in the pairs of 2s. Then in the pairs of 3s. Then in the pair of 4. So there are total 2 power 4. Because there are 4 elements, we write 16. 2 power 4 is 16. Now here in Jasmine there are total 7 elements. So 2 power 7 is equal to 128. There is not enough space to write 128. So I have just used this. Last element will be JASMINE. Okay. So you cannot write it. So try to avoid that. Answer shortly. Consider the letter of the word joy as a set and list all the proper subset of the set. So A is equals to J, O, Y. N of A is equals to 3. Proper subset is N of P of A minus 1. We do not consider empty here. So 2 power M minus 1, that is 2 power 3 minus 1, which is 8 minus 1, that is equal to 7. The proper subsets are, we do not write empty, we write all the other elements. First single, then double, then triple. Okay. Next we come to the 8th question, which is A is equals to 5x, where x is integer, x is less than equal to 30. So the values of x should be less than equal to 30. That means because it is an integer, it will have all the negative values 0 and the positive values till 30. Okay. So and B is a prime number from 1 to 25. Verify whether A and B are disjoint or intersecting set. So A, we have this all the negative numbers, multiple of 5 0, and the multiple of last 30 into 5 will be 150. Then B, we have 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19 23. As you know, these are all prime numbers, so the only number common in both is 5. So A intersection B is equals to 5, the set 5, which is not empty, hence they are intersecting. Next part we come, this is quite lengthy. Question number 9, A is equals to x such that x equal 3n plus 1, where n is the whole number, x is less than 10. Find, it is final, so that is not final, that is find the power set of A. So as you can see, A is equals to, we get the numbers after the calculation here are 1 4 7 10 13. So as you can check the calculation, so it becomes n of A is equals to 10, n of P of A is equals to 2 power 10. 2 power 10 is nothing but 1024. The last part of this video is this question. Let A is equals to square, rectangle and triangle. Find the following: n of A, n of P of A, and the number of proper subset of A. So as you can see, n of A contains only 3 elements. N of P of A will be 2 power 3, which is 8. And then the proper subset, they did not ask the proper subset to write, they asked only the number of proper subset. So we write 2 power 3 minus 1, which is equals to 7. Thank you.